It was a Friday. My friend and I decided to escape the noise of everyday life, and head into nature. The weather was perfect. A gentle sun was shining, and a soft breeze danced through the branches of the trees. After a short walk, we found a quiet, beautiful spot, the kind of place where birds sing, and the scent of damp earth clears your mind. We sat down under the shade of a tree, and started talking, about old memories, about hopes for the future, and about the simple moments we've shared. Laughter and silence, both found their place in our conversation. After a while, we decided to cook a delicious karahi. The smell of the food filled the air, and with every passing moment, we got hungrier. When the karahi was finally ready, we enjoyed every bite. Somehow, food always tastes better in the heart of nature. That moment, simple, yet pure, filled with peace, friendship, and joy, that Friday outing became a beautiful memory, one that brings a smile to our faces whenever we remember it.